Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Ivim health programs, weight loss programs, GLP-1 ID program, or they have lots of weekends like different medications. So you should take any treatment on this platform or not? Is this brand legit or it just another scam? Okay. So first of all, if we talk about this brand, Ivim Health is a very popular brand, and they are approx 3 years from now, and they are providing you weight loss program, which is very common in today's time. And when you select any, you can say like there are so many, you can say like programs available in the market like Med IV, and there are some other programs also like Core Age RX, Trim RX, so Get Slim RX. So there are so many, you can like programs. So each and every program is providing you semaglutide and trizeptide, so you can choose any one which is cost efficient for you. Like we can say, each and every brand providing you same type of treatment, but the pricing of each and every program is different, so you can choose anyone which is under your budget. Okay, this is the first thing. Now we talk about you should use any treatment on this platform or not. Yes, definitely you can take treatment and you can get the benefits, but keep this thing in your mind, like the treatment which is related to semaglutide or trizeptide, the results are temporary. When you stop taking semaglutide or trizeptide, the results which you achieved, it will lose after some period of time. It means you are in the initial phase of your health when you stop taking medications like semaglutide or trizeptide. This is the thing. Now we will talk about you should buy any treatment or not. Yes, definitely you can take treatment on this platform, but keep something in your mind. Please check negative reviews on Trustpilot, because some customers is complaining like after canceling membership they still got charged $74.99 for membership, and when they try to cancel, when they try to make request for refund, they told like non-refundable. Okay, the fees is not refundable. So this is the thing. Now when you take subscription, contact with the customer support. Please ask like the fees or the model is refundable or not, and in which conditions the fees is refundable, and you can get your money back or not. If you can, if you want to cancel your subscription, so you will get your refund back or not. So you need to ask these type of questions. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.